Hey everybody, Contractor Mike here, and we're at the Greg and Cindy project again. So a lot's happened since we were here last. Before we did after demo and everything was gone, and it's still gone to a point, but we've got our framing done. So let's start with the fireplace. So you may recall this unit used to be located on the other side of the room, so we moved the whole thing, the chimney, everything's over here now. We've got our unit installed. This is actually a log burning fireplace unit. That's what they like the real fire. So we got the flue in, everything's all tight up to the top, going all the way through to the roof and out. So that came out really nice. So over here we've got our pantry frame. You walk in the door now and you see we're going to have a nice band that goes across here to define this. So it's just not this big, long, tall wall. We will break it up with a 2x12 across and drywall that thing, so it's going to look really nice. So here we have our niche. We're calling it a niche, but this is where the wine fridge is going to go. This is a very heavy unit. It requires a lot of ventilation, so we got ventilation all over the place in here. We've got a cold air supply. It's going to come in and keep this thing cool. The air is going to roll up, and you know heat rises. So we've got returns up here, and then it's going to escape at the very top. So this unit will always be cool and will not overheat. So we're stepping inside the kitchen now. And we've got everything laid out. So we're going to have our fridge over here. We've also completed our rough plumbing. That's all done now. So we've got our supply to the ice maker in the fridge. And we've got our power to the fridge. We have a nice tool belt hanging there. So, the arch opening did not change. We kept that in the same place. So we actually designed everything so it would work out well here to go into the family room. So here is where our cooktop is going to be. Right here, we've got our hood venting is done now. We got that done as well, so we can vent everything from the cooktop, and it's going to go up and out through the roof. Moving around the corner, we have a Lazy Susan here. This is our new sink location. And we used to have this big old window in here, and now we've put a smaller one in here to accommodate cabinets along here that weren't here before. And we've got a new window installed here, where before that was a door to go outside, but now our door is here. We've got a nice, big, easy to operate slider door out to the lovely deck. And we had to reframe all this, so this is actually obviously the outside wall, so we had to do some structural things here. It was all tied in the way it was supposed to by our engineer. And so that's all we have for today. Everything's looking good in here. We're right on schedule, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for coming.